Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we are presenting the Bosch professional 4-piece power tool kit with three 4.0 amp batteries and a durable tool bag. This professional set combines power, precision, and convenience, making it ideal choice for tradespeople and serious DIY users who want reliable tools that deliver results on every job site. The kit includes four powerful cordless tools: the GSB 18 voltage / 55 combi drill, the GDR 18 voltage / 200 impact driver, the GWS 18 voltage / 10 angle grinder, and the GBH 18 voltage by 21 rotary hammer. It also comes with three high-capacity 4.0 amp per hour batteries and a compact fast charger, ensuring extended runtime and reduced downtime. The GSB 18 voltage by 55 combi drill is tough, powerful, and reliable with 55 Newton meters of torque and up to 1,750 revolutions per minute. It is designed for drilling, impact drilling, and screw driving in wood, metal, and masonry. Its robust 13-meter Rohim metal chuck ensures excellent power transfer, while the brushless motor extends tool life and the battery runtime. The GSB 18 voltage by 55 is suitable for drilling in wood up to 35 millimeters, in steel up to 13 millimeters, and in masonry up to 10 millimeters. The GSB 18 voltage by 55 is suitable for drilling in wood up to 35 millimeters, in steel up to 13 millimeters, and in masonry up to 10 millimeters. The GDR 18 voltage by 200 impact driver offers an excellent balance of power and compact design with a head length of only 126 millimeters. It is ideal for working in tight spaces. Its brushless motor delivers a strong 200 Newton meters of torque, excellent battery efficiency, and long tool life. A variable speed trigger gives precise control over torque and speed, and the tool features a 1/4 inch hex bit holder, electronic cell protection, and LED light, and a convenient belt clip. The GWX 18 voltage by 10 angle grinder provides cordless performance equals to a 1000 watt corded grinder due to Bosch brushless motor and Pro Core 18 voltage technology. It includes advanced safety features such as drop control, kickback control, and an intelligent brake system. These functions protect the user by shutting the tool down in the event of sudden movement or accidental dropping. This angle grinder is suitable for cutting and grinding metal, stone, and concrete, and features a keyless nut for quick accessory changes. The GBH 18 voltage by 21 rotary hammer delivers 2.0 joules of impact energy with a brushless motor for durability and efficiency. It features three modes: drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling, making it a versatile solution for construction and renovation work with a good power to weight ratio at only 2.4 kilograms. It is powerful enough for light chiseling while remaining easy to handle. Additional features include LED lighting, variable speed, a rotation control clutch, and various lock positioning. The three included GBA 18 voltage 4.0 amp per hour batteries provide extended runtime, offering 100% more runtime than 2.0 amp per hour models. With cool pack technology, heat is dissipated effectively from the cells, extending battery life and ensuring consistent performance during demanding tasks. The battery fuel gauge displays the charge status for convenience. The GAL 18 voltage by 40 charger is compact and efficient. It charges a 4.0 amp per hour battery up to 80% in only 48 minutes and a 2.0 amp per hour battery up to 80% in 24 minutes. The charger is also compatible with all Bosch professional 18 voltage batteries and includes a wall mounting option. All of these tools and accessories are supplied with a heavy duty Bosch tool bag designed for convenient storage and easy transport between job sites. This Bosch professional 4-piece power tool kit is perfect for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who require tough, long-lasting, and high-performance tools. With cordless flexibility, powerful brushless motors, extended runtime batteries, and advanced safety features, this kit ensures that you are prepared for any task in wood, metal, masonry, or concrete. You can find the Bosch professional 4-piece power toolkit on our Amazon store. This is a professional grade tool set that truly stands out and deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.